Today we're diving into a hot topic that has been causing quite a stir in the software development world: the impact of generative AI in the software engineering roles. Let's face it, generative AI is no longer just a buzzword. It is here and it is making waves. As you may have seen from GitHub Copilot to ChatGPT, these AI-powered tools are already changing the game for developers. Now I know what you're thinking. Is AI going to replace us? It's a valid concern and you're not alone. According to the 2024 StackOverFlow survey, 70% of professional developers don't see AI as a threat to their jobs. So let's break it down why that is and what the future holds for us in this AI-driven landscape. So let's take a look at the current state of AI in software development. One of the most exciting recent development is Devin, the world's first AI software engineer created by Coordination Labs. Devin can understand complex coding tasks, write code, and even debug its own work. It's pretty impressive, right? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We're seeing AI make waves in several areas. For example, code generation and completions. Tools like GitHub Copilot, Amazon Q Developer are having like a super smart coding buddy at your fingertips 24/7. There's also a use case for automated testing where AI can create test cases for you and also streamlining the testing process, making it faster and even more efficient. Another use case is in the code review and optimization where AI can spot potential issue, suggest improvements in real time. So it's really saving developer times to write code. Documentation generation, you can say goodbye to the tedious task of writing documentations. AI got your back. AI can detect changes in your code base and generate the documentation for you. We are also seeing some exciting developments in the DevOps space. DevOps is the combinations of software development and IT operations, aiming to deliver software at a faster pace than the traditional software development. Now, with AI and the integration of the AI, we are witnessing even more significant changes in this field. So, for example, code analysis and security scanning, AI-driven tools like Synk, Amazon CodeGuru are changing the way that we are identifying vulnerabilities and potential issue in our code base, in our software supply chains and libraries. Second, predictive analytics and monitoring. AI is great at processing a large volume of data. So we can leverage that to give us real-time insights into our system performance or predicting failures even before those happens. So these AI tools can help us building more secure and resilient system. But remember, they're here to enhance our capabilities, not replace them. So now before you start worrying about AI taking over, remember this: we as a human, we excel at thinking outside of the box, creating innovative solutions that AI might not consider. So human engineer can be better at understanding a broader context of a project, including business goals, user needs, or creating a long-term implication that may not be apparent to AI. This holistic understanding is crucial in creating truly effective and user-centric software application. Plus, if you have been in a software development role for a while, you might have noticed this: the importance of a cross-functional collaboration, managing team dynamics, stakeholder communication. These are the areas where our human touch is essential and cannot be replicated by AI, or at least just yet. So what does this mean for our skills as a software engineer? Well, in my experience, the fundamentals are still crucial. You still need a solid understanding of a software development lifecycle, proficiency in at least one programming language, understanding the backend and front-end stack. Knowledge of your databases, data structure is still important. Understanding how to write good test cases for your project. But here's where things get interesting. The key skills that we need to develop is adaptability. So this might mean learning how to use AI-powered code completion tools effectively, understanding how to interpret the output of AI-driven platforms, or even developing a crucial eye to evaluate AI-generated codes and suggestions, because sometimes AI can get wrong and they can be hallucinated on the answer they're given to you. Think of AI as your new pair programming partner, one that's always available, never get tired, but need a cross-check from time to time. Remember, our roles are likely to be transformed to be more efficient and productive. So let's stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, happy coding.